Embarking on exciting adventures doesn't have to break the bank. With these 7 travel hacks, you can unlock substantial savings and make the most of your journeys without sacrificing the quality of your experiences. In this video, we'll explore a variety of tips and tricks to help you save thousands of dollars on your travels this year. Travel hack 1. Flight and accommodation prices can vary significantly depending on the day of the week, time of year, and even the time of day. Consider adjusting your travel dates to take advantage of off-peak seasons or midweek flights, as they are often more budget-friendly. Many airlines, hotels, and credit card companies offer travel rewards programs that can help you accumulate points or miles for every purchase. Take advantage of these programs for free flights, hotel stays, or even cash back. While luxury hotels and resorts can provide a lavish experience, they often come with a hefty price tag. Consider alternative accommodation options such as vacation rentals, hostels, or budget-friendly hotels. Tourist hotspots often come with inflated prices. Explore lesser-known destinations to discover hidden gems and save money. Not only will you enjoy a more authentic travel experience, but you'll also find that prices for accommodations, dining, and activities are often more reasonable. Packing efficiently not only saves you time, but also helps avoid unnecessary fees. Research airline baggage policies and pack light to avoid checked baggage fees. Invest in versatile clothing items and pack essentials to reduce the temptation to impulse shop during your trip. Additionally, bring a reusable water bottle and snacks to avoid overpriced airport and tourist spot food. Explore the local public transportation options in the destinations you visit. Using buses, trains, or subways can be significantly more affordable than renting a car, relying on taxis or Uber. Planning ahead can be a game changer when it comes to saving money on your travels. Research and book flights, accommodations, and activities well in advance to secure the best deals. Embarking on memorable adventures doesn't have to drain your wallet. By incorporating these 7 travel hacks into your plans, you can unlock substantial savings and make the most of your journeys. From flexible travel dates to embracing rewards programs, these tips will empower you to create unforgettable experiences without the financial burden. To see how you can save more and earn cash back on your travel and on everything you already buy, then click the link in the description box below. Please subscribe, like, and share to get more tips like this.